guys, welcome to Sugar and Spice Cook with Homa. I'm back on my channel after quite a long break and I really missed you guys. So let's talk about today's recipe without taking too much time of yours. Today I am sharing recipe for very limeade. Since summer is already here, it's very hot outside, and also this is going to be a great thirst quencher for Ramadan as well. So please note down the ingredients. Alright, we need the following ingredients: cold water, ice cubes, lime juice, I'm using bottled one, some fresh lime slices, fresh cut strawberries, frozen mixed berries, plain white sugar, brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar handy, you can just use only plain white sugar. I'm using another 2 limes to get some fresh lime juice out of it, some mint leaves, and a pinch of salt. Oops. Okay, I'm adding these ice cubes. We'll add the brown sugar. Plain white sugar. Okay, I'm going to use about half a cup of lime juice. Actually, I prefer limeade than lemonade. Lemonade is way too tart to my taste buds. So it's totally up to you. If you like lemonade, you can use lemons instead of limes for this recipe. Okay, adding mint leaves. And now, okay, you guys are probably thinking, why am I using some fresh limes if I already added some bottled lime juice in it? The reason why I'm using some fresh lime juice in it, because I need some of this pulp, which adds this extra texture and flavor to this recipe. Well, you have a choice. You can use all fresh lime juice if you want. Okay, I'm squeezing another lime in it. 3. Now I'm going to add these slices of limes and our drink, and frozen berries. You can use fresh berries if you cannot find the frozen one. But the reason why I love to use frozen berries, because once they become frozen and you add in the liquid, it kind of falls apart, and it adds this beautiful color and flavor in your drink. Can you see it kind of starts turning pinkish, reddish color? Give it a good stir. And I'm adding these sliced strawberries as well. Give it another stir. Adding the salt. Give it a very good stir. And there you go. Your very limeade. Good. 3. Alright. Let me add some in our cups or glasses. There you go. Alright, that was it for today's recipe, and hopefully you're going to like my recipe. You're going to give it a try. Please let me know about your feedback. And yes, please check down the description box under the video for the measurement for the ingredients I use in every recipe of mine. I'll see you guys next time. You guys take care. Bye.